Welcome, my name is Anish and today I am going to show how we can create a data structure. In this lesson we are going to learn the hierarchical data structure. A data structure which is not linear by nature. Example, array. Array is a structure which is linear by nature. So the biggest example is, you can see in our file system, data is organized which is originated from the root. Like in Unix kind of file system, we have root, under root we have etc, we have opt, we have user, under user we have bin, we have home, user one. So these kind of data structure is known as the hierarchical data structure, where the elements are treated, topmost elements treated as root and the bottommost element treated as the leaf. So I have a basic tree. So let us understand the terminology explained in this tree. So this is just a tree. Okay, so defining elements like let's say we are seeing how many levels we have. So let us count the level. We have 0 level, we have 1 level, we have 2 level, we have 3 level. So these, I can say these are my level on my tree. Okay, so what is my root element? You can see this is my root element which has no parent. So those elements are called root element. So B is the root element of EFG, C is the root element of H, D is the root element of INT, E is the root element of KNL, because it has the parent, so it cannot consider as a root. So these are the leaves, okay, which have no childs. So this I can refer as parent. So this is another leaf, this is another leaf, this is another leaf, this is another leaf, this is another leaf. Okay, so let us see how many subtrees we have under A. So if I cut down like this, I can say subtree T1. So this is another subtree T2. This is my another subtree 3. So A has 3 subtree, 1, 2, 3. In each T1, B is the root element. In subtree 2, C is the root element. In subtree 3, D is the root element. Okay. So if I ask what is my child element of A, so what will be the answer? So these things will be our child elements of A. Okay, so child of A is B, C and D. Clear? So let us see one more time. So let us do the exercise one more time. So let us draw a tree. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So if I ask what is the root element, I will say 8 is the root element. Why? Because 8 doesn't have any parent. So if I ask what are my leaf nodes, so I will say E, F, G, I, J, I, K are my leaf nodes because it doesn't have any child. Okay. So if I ask what are my subtrees and all, so under A, so I will say this is my tree 1, this is my tree 2 and this is my tree 3. So if I ask what are my levels under this tree, this is my 0 level, This is the first level, this is the second level, this is the third level, 4 levels. So I have 4 levels. Okay, so this is called as the root. B, C and D are child of A. Similarly, E, F are child of B. G is child of C. H is child of D. I is child of H. J and K are child of I. Okay. Now determine what is the height of the tree, what are the degree of the tree. Okay, so far we understand what are the root element, node element, parent element, child element. So let us now define what is the height of the tree. So in a given tree, let's say A, B, C, D, I, J, K, L, M, N. So I have a given tree, so I need to find the height of the tree. So height of the tree is defined as the path between from the root node to the leaf node. Leaf node in terms of longest leaf node we'll treat as the height of the tree. So in this case A, C, I, K, L is the height of the tree. If we denote by number, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my height of the tree is 4. Okay. So what is my degree of a tree now? So degree of tree can be said like what from a given node A, how many others nodes can be formed. So the degree of node is A, from A to A is 3 because I can go for B, C and D. So degree of node D is 1. Similarly, degree of node M is 0. Degree of node C is 1 because I is only the child of C. Degree of I is 2 because I is the parent of J and K. So 2 nodes are here. And the degree of B is 1. So the degree of node N is 0. J is 0, K is 1, L is 0. Thank you.